In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a trend angle line on TradingView. A trend angle line is a simple but powerful way to gauge how steep a move is on a chart. Instead of just eyeballing whether a rally or pullback is sharp or gradual, the angle tool gives you a clear degree reading, which can help with comparing trends across different parts of the chart. First, open your browser and go to TradingView.com. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection so the charts load smoothly. The site works best on a larger screen, so if you can, use a desktop or laptop to get the most out of the charting workspace. Next, select the stocks section and open the full chart for the symbol you want to analyze. You can use the search bar at the top to find the instrument you're interested in. When the chart appears, switch to the full chart view so you have access to the complete set of drawing tools and on-chart controls. This gives you more room to work and ensures the angle readout is easy to see. Now look to the left-hand toolbar and click the trend line tools. It's the icon that usually looks like a diagonal line. If the toolbar is collapsed, hover to expand it. When you click the trend line tools, a small menu opens showing several related options. This is where all the straight line drawing utilities live, and it's where you'll find the tool we need. From that menu, click trend angle. This selects the angle tool so you can measure the slope of a move directly on the chart. The trend angle tool calculates the degree of incline or decline relative to the horizontal time axis, which is helpful for comparing the momentum of different swings. As you use the tool, TradingView displays the angle value near the line, making it easy to read at a glance. A couple of quick tips will help you get accurate, consistent readings. Angles are sensitive to your chart's time frame and vertical scale. If you change the time frame or compress the price scale, the visual steepness can appear different, even though the underlying price move hasn't changed. For fair comparisons, check angles on the same time frame and with a similar zoom level. Also, make sure your chart is in regular, non-log mode if you want the angle to reflect linear price movement. Log scale changes how moves appear across different price levels. Finally, zoom in enough to clearly see the swing you care about so the angle label isn't cramped by other chart elements. That's it. You've navigated to TradingView, opened a full chart, accessed the trend line tools, and selected the trend angle tool to measure the steepness of price moves with confidence.